Yes, we have started. In last class, we have started super senses, our first chapter. And what we have learned in that class? क्या क्या पढ़ा था?
Ma'am, about ant and mosquitoes.
About ant and mosquitoes. Like we human beings have senses.
Strong senses. Problem.
Yes, like we human beings have senses. Animals too have sense organ. They can also sense. And animals have more powerful sense than us. They have more strong, powerful sense than us. So in last class, we have learned about, like Veeti said, ant and mosquito. So what type of sense they have? Which sense is powerful in them? Which sense is very powerful? Sense of sight, sense of hearing, sense of smell, or sense of touch, yeah, sense of taste. Yes, you can drop your answer in chat box. Nishchay, you are saying fight. It's not fight. Sight, SIGHT. Sense of fight नहीं होता बेटा. It's sense of sight. देखना. Okay. You can drop your answer in chat box. So I got from Tanishka. I got answer from Tanishka, Veerti, and what about others? There are 12 students in class and only 2 of you have answered. Which sense of which sense is more powerful in ant and mosquito? I got answer from Priyansh. Come on, tell me the answer. It means you have not paid attention in class. Only Tanishka, Veerti, and Priyansh. And all of you, your answer is correct. No, Kavya. No, Arush. Biting sense. Biting कोई sense है? How many signs of organs are there? And what are they? What senses they have? I want to ask from Arush only. कितने sense होते हैं? पहले तो मेरे को ये बता.
Ma'am, skin, tongue, and nose.
Skin, tongue, and nose. Only 3 sense organ. How many sense organ are there? If you will ask from this, you are learning from class 1. Class 1 से पढ़ रहे हैं. We have 5 type of sense organ. Who will tell me what are they? Okay, Priyansh. Arush, you need to pay more attention in the class. Yes, Priyansh.
Ma'am,
Haan.
tongue, nose, eyes,
Yes.
ear, skin.
Very good. So these are the 5 sense organ. Now, what they sense? What they sense? ये क्या क्या sense करते हैं? Eyes is for eyes is for, okay, Vaibhav. Eyes is for,
Ma'am, eyes अपन देखते हैं मैम.
okay, try to give answer in English. Eyes is for to see, is for sight.
See.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Next sense organ कौन सा है?
Ma'am, ears.
Ears. तो ears से क्या करते हैं? We from ears we
मैम कोई बात सुनते हैं मैम.
सुनना को क्या बोलते हैं इंग्लिश में? We hear. Ear.
Ear.
Hear. ठीक है? EAR.
Yes.
Ear. Hear. 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 Okay. From our ears we hear. Nose. नोज से क्या करते हैं पापा?
मैम कोई भी स्मेल को सूंघते हैं।
यस, सेंस ऑफ स्मेल. स्किन, स्किन से क्या पता चलता है? विच सेंस ऑफ, सेंस ऑफ टच. अगर आपको कोई छूता है तो आपको कैसे पता चलता है? कोई आपको टच कर रहा है, आपकी स्किन से आपको पता चलता है कि आपको कोई टच कर रहा है या कुछ बैठा है आपके हाथ में, आपकी स्किन पे, है ना? तो स्किन
Yes.
it tells the feeling, it has sense of touch, sense of feeling, sense of feel. Okay, so ये this should be very clear to each and everyone in the class. ये सबको clear होना चाहिए because you are in class 5. ये क्लास 1 के बच्चे पढ़ते हैं. Almost 5 minutes we have done this in recalling, है ना? 5 मिनट. निश्चय, what are you doing? Keep that down. Okay. So let's continue with the class. So everyone, if you will watch the video carefully, use your earphone. Who is doing this? Navya. Don't make faces. अच्छा. Use earphone. हैंडसेट जो भी आपके पास है वो यूज करो. लाइक कीर्ति, यस कीर्ति है, आरुष के पास भी है, तो आप ये यूज करो ताकि आपको वॉइस और क्लियर आएगी, है ना? अगर नहीं है देन नो प्रॉब्लम, बट आई थिंक आजकल सभी के घर पे होता है. इससे आपको वॉइस और क्लियरिटी आएगी और वीडियो अच्छे से दिखो. बिकॉज आई एम आस्किंग क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम वीडियो ओनली, और कहीं बाहर से नहीं पूछती हूँ. ठीक है, तो वॉच द वीडियो वेरी केयरफुली. Wait a minute. Nishchay, why are you laughing? No one will touch the screen. Navya, Ronak, please beta don't touch the screen. कैसा फेस बनाया है ये बस ने? कैन यू मेक दिस फेस? कैसे बनाया? डोंट रेज हैंड, आई एम वाचिंग फ्रॉम हियर. ओके ठीक है. अपूर्व इज ऑलमोस्ट लाइक द बस. प्रियांश नो. काव्या यस. ओके. वीरती, देशना, रौनक. Yes. Oh, he is in surprise. He is in shock. Okay, why he is in surprise or shock? Let's see.
The help of its smell. Yes, Buzz. People also have a sense of smell. How is that possible? How do you do that? Ari, have you forgotten, Buzz? When Ma keeps the milk on the stove and forgets about it, the milk boils and spills over. She then runs to take it off the stove when she gets the smell of burnt milk. Yes, just the way all of us run when Mom makes tasty food. So even people have a sense of smell. Yes, people can find out if a thing is good or bad from its smell. I know. Yes, just the way we cover our nose when we pass by a dustbin. Okay, now let's sleep. We have to go to school in the morning.
So like we human have sense of smell, animals also have sense of smell, but their sense of smell is more powerful than humans. ठीक है? For example, in ant and mosquito, their sense of smell is more powerful.
Wake up, Chinu. Wake up quickly. It's getting late for school. I have woken up, Meenu. I now get ready very quickly. Oh, we are all ready. Let's go now.
Wait a minute.
Look, Meenu. Look over there. A parrot. Oh, yes. It is very pretty, Chinu. Yes. See, it is looking at us. No, Chinu. It is not looking at us. It is looking at the tree. No, Meenu. Look at it carefully. It is looking at us.
So they both are discussing that the parrot name is Totu. So he is looking at them. The girl is saying he is not looking, the parrot is not looking, but the boy he is saying he is looking at them. So have you ever noticed, आपने सबने birds देखी होगी, different types of bird. So have you ever noticed all the birds have they have their eyes and ears? कहाँ होते हैं? At the side or in front? Like we humans have our eyes in front. So bird have eyes and side. Yes. So let's hear their discussion, what they are saying.
Should I fly up and ask the parrot? Good morning, everybody. My name is Tutu. Don't fight for the few. I was looking at both the things. I was looking at the tree and at you also. Good morning, Tutu. But how can you do that? Oh, that is because we birds can look at different objects with our two eyes at the same time. Oh, Tutu, that is so interesting. We didn't even know that.
So Totu, he said he cleared their doubt that I am looking at you as well and at other things because his eyes in their eyes are at sight. Birds, they have very powerful, strong sense of vision. ठीक है, उनका sense of sight बहुत ज़्यादा very powerful. They have powerful sense of sight.
Our eyes are very different from other animals and humans. The eyes of birds are fixed. That is why we keep turning our head from time to time. But Tutu, tell me one more thing. You were very far from us. How did you manage to see us? Meenu, that is a good question. That is because I can see you very well. Birds can see many times better than you can. Many times better than us? I can't understand. How much better can you see than us? Can you see much more than us? Lots more, Meenu. How do
Birds can see lot more than us. Their vision is very, means they can see very far object also. We have a limited, means we can see up to a limited distance. But birds, they can see objects that are very far. Now, can you tell me the name of few birds whose power of vision is very strong, जो दूर से भी चीजें देख सकते हैं? Anyone? Can you tell me? Yes, Virti and Tanishka. Yes, Virti.
Ma'am, eagle.
Eagle. Yes. Very good. And with Tanishka?
Ma'am, I was also saying eagle.
Eagle. Okay. Yes, Priyansh, any other answer other than eagle? Yes, Priyansh, bolo.
Parrot.
Parrot. Yes, parrot. Story में ही बता रहे. Yes, Molly.
Ma'am, ma'am, crow.
Crow. No, not correct. Yes, Nishchay. Yes, Nishchay. Same answer. Okay. Now, yes, Kavya.
Ma'am, pigeon.
Pigeon. No. अच्छा, ठीक है. Okay, so no one has taken name of a very important bird, owl. Owl की vision, eyesight is very powerful. Owl only came at night. वो सिर्फ रात को आता है ना? दिन में did you ever see owl in morning, daytime? किसी ने देखा है? No, because owl came at night. Owl has a keen means very fine sense of sight, which they use to find prey when it is almost dark. Dark means in night. Everywhere it is dark, so they can catch their prey in dark also. In darkness also, they can find their prey. They cannot see anything in total darkness and always need some light to see. And they use which light? Light of moon. Okay? They use light of moon. So all the birds, eagle, owl, parrot, they have very powerful sense of sight or strong vision power. Do you know an owl can catch a mouse in darkness just on the basis of a faint sound? Sound like when a mouse is crawling, he is moving. With the help of that sound, a owl can catch the mouse. Like in total darkness, owl can also not be able to see. But with the help of the sound, faint sound produced by the mouse, owl can catch the mouse. Now there are many animals with very good eyesight like lion, tiger, leopard. वो बहुत दूर तक भी उनके जो भी प्रे रहते हैं उनको बहुत दूर से देख लेते हैं. Okay. Okay, let's continue with the video.
Do I explain to you? Okay, now I know. You must have heard of the birds eagle and falcon.
Falcon
Do
is
you
also
know
a
that
bird.
eagles and falcons can see objects 4 times as far as you humans can see?
So their vision is 4 times than humans vision. Their vision is so powerful, means 4 times. Like अगर हमें कुछ चीज पर्टिकुलर डिस्टेंस पे दिखती है, वो उससे 4 टाइम्स और दूर जाके भी उसे उस ऑब्जेक्ट को देख सकते हैं. ओके.
4 times more, Tutu. I also want to be like a bird. Birds can fly and can see more also. Yes, Chinu. Birds can see very well. Tutu, I really like your beak a lot. Your beak is so nice and red, just like a red chili. Red? I don't know that color. I don't know how my beak looks. I can't see many colors. You cannot see many colors? But why? That is because only humans can see different colors. So, what colors can you see, Tutu? I can only see a few colors. And there are some animals which can see only black and white. Only black and white? Animals can only see black and white.
So do you know that? आपको ये पता था कि only humans can see all the colors, but the birds they see only few colors. उनको सारे colors नहीं दिखते. They see only few colors, and there are few animals. The animals, especially all those animals जो रात को निकलते हैं, they see only in black and white. They don't know other colors like green, red, blue, yellow. So all those animals that came at night come out at night from their hole or whatever, from their place. So they don't know such color. They only see the things in black and white. We humans only see the all colors, and birds, they can see a limited colors. So everyone's vision, they see the things differently. Okay.
Not all animals buzz. It is different for different animals. Animals that are awake during the day can see a few colors. Oh, so animals that stay awake in the daytime can see few colors? But what about those animals that stay awake at night? I was talking about those animals before. They can see only black and white. They cannot see colors. Everything will be either black or white for them. Ooh, I did not know this before. Arey, look there everyone. Look at that koel. It is looking so beautifully. Tutu, can you also hear the koel sing? Yes, Chinu. She is my friend. cannot see your ears. How do you hear them? Do you have ears, Totu? Yes, Chinu. I have ears just behind my eyes. But you cannot see my ears. That is because they are covered by my feathers. But there are some animals that do not have ears at all.
Can you name any animal that don't have ear? Like parrot, he had means uske ears hai, but his ear is covered with feather. Can you name any animal जिसकी ear नहीं है? And can you tell me ki how that animal then hear? How he come to know about the things around him and her? Okay, who will tell me? Chimpanzee, who is saying chimpanzee? Molly. Chimpanzee don't have ear. Ear. Yes, Tanishka, you have given correct answer. Anyone else? सोचो सोचो किसके ईयर्स नहीं होते हैं? कौन सा एनिमल है जिसके ईयर्स नहीं होते हैं? You all have seen that animal. एक ना एक बार तो सभी ने देखा है. Tanishka has given answer and her answer is correct. Molly, correct answer. The answer is snake. They don't have ears. Correct? Yes. Snake के ears नहीं होते. Then how they hear? How they come to know that someone is attacking them? Some hunter is coming. कैसे उन्हें पता चलता है अगर उनके ears ही नहीं है तो? Okay. Let's see how they come to know. Yes, Arush, you want to say anything? Yes. Yes, Arush.
मैम वो अपने टंग से सेंस करते हैं सराउंडिंग.
यस, टंग से सेंस करते हैं. एंड वन मोर थिंग हम वीडियो में देखते हैं. ठीक है, योर आंसर इज करेक्ट कि वो तो टंग से सेंस करते हैं. एंड वन मोर थिंग इज देयर. एंड हाउ दे सेंस थ्रू देयर टंग, ये कैसे समझ में आता है? दिस आल्सो वी आर गोइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड इन द वीडियो. ठीक है.
Some animals don't have ears at all. I did not know that. Then how do they hear? They are very smart. That's why I said that everything is different for different animals. Animals that don't have ears sense things by their movements, like the snake. That's why a snake gets alert if people move without making a noise.
So did you understand? So snake, they come to know about the whatever moving around them. So they come to know about from the vibration. Like if someone is moving, so हर चीज का एक vibration निकलता है. Okay, so they have very powerful sense of touch, and like Arush said, very powerful sense of smell. Agar if you have noticed in this video also, snake, they usually take out their tongue, and when they take out their tongue, they absorb the particles in the air, that some prey is there or some attacker is there. From air they catch the particles and they come to know, and by the sense of smell. वो अपने टंग से वो पार्टिकल्स अपनी तरफ लेते हैं and they come to know that some prey is there, some attacker is there. So snakes, they don't have ear and their sense of sight and as well as sense of hearing दोनों बहुत पुअर होती है. मीन्स उनका विजन भी अच्छा नहीं है और उनके सुनने की कैपेसिटी भी अच्छी नहीं है. सो दे कम टू नो बाय द सेंस ऑफ टच एंड बाय सेंस ऑफ स्मेल. ठीक है.
That's right. Shh. Quiet, everybody. The hunter is coming close. Tutu, how did you get to know that? I cannot see anyone. I checked all the sides. I know for sure, Meenu. Some hunter is close by somewhere. I get to know because we birds and animals have a special power. Special power? What kind of special power do you have, Tutu? We have the power of sensing danger well in advance. We get to know when danger is coming. You can sense
So all the animals and bird, they have a special power. Like Totu said, they can sense the danger well in advance. है ना. अगर डेंजर एनिमल्स के पास आ रहा है तो दे कैन सर्च देम वेल इन एडवांस. कैन एनीवन टेल मी, हैव यू एवर नोटिस्ड आई थिंक द जंगल बुक मूवी सभी ने देखी है. एवरीवन, सभी ने जंगल बुक मूवी देखी है. सो if you have noticed in the video, in that movie, the birds, they generally they used to fly. वो fly करते हैं तो they and their sense of vision is very strong, so they came to know first that some danger is coming. Then they communicate with the other animals that danger is coming with the help of vibration, with the help of vision, sense of vision. They came to know that some danger is coming. Now, so this is about the attackers, hunters or prey. Now, if any natural disaster like earthquake, tsunami, volcano eruption, अगर ये भी होता है cyclone, then first one who come to know about this danger is animals and birds. If you have ever noticed, अगर आपको पता है 2000 में जब हमारे इंडिया में in 2004 in 2000 जब हमारे इंडिया में सुनामी आई थी, the animals near around the sea, the birds, the animals, वो सबसे पहले वहां से भागते हैं. Why? Because they came to know about the natural disaster. उनको पहले पता चलता है. They have special power to fetch, to know that कि some danger is coming. Okay.